To edit a slow motion video on a Google Pixel 11, first you want to simply open the Photos app. Once you go to the Photos app, you want to of course open your slow motion video, and once it starts playing, you can tap on the video to show all of these different options. Now in here we can find two timelines. We have the main timeline that allows you to choose the time of the video, and the upper timeline here, the one that is above, with these dots, is the slow motion timeline. So here we can decide which part of the video should be in slow motion. We can use these lines on left and right sides to shrink or extend the slow motion part. If you want, you can of course apply it to the whole video, and then the whole video is going to be played in the slow motion. And if you want to, you can of course make it much shorter, or you can just drag it to some parts only. There we go. It is very simple and very intuitive. Of course, in addition to the slow motion effect itself, you can also go to the edit option here at the bottom of the screen to find some additional options that allow you to, for example, adjust the audio, the speed of the video as well. And we have some cropping tools, we can add music, there is also a quick fix, and so on and so forth. Leave a like and subscribe.